hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
So bummed my poor little flower arrangement that I made at a Teleflora event recently hasn't really made it. I mean, most of it is good, but oh, the little roses are dead. That's a shame. It was so cute though. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. I am once again in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed watching me deep clean the crap out of this. Oh my god, it really needed it. Today is going to be a bit more Christmassy though. I am going to get a little bit more work done, but I have to run to the store because I am going over to my friend Sophie's today and we are doing our little annual Christmas cookie bake slash Love Actually tradition that we do every year. I mean, we've been watching Love Actually together at Christmas for like since I can remember, most of the time I've lived in LA. Here I make Christmas cookies with a friend. In the past you've seen me do it with Bianca, but this year I'm going to do it with my friend Sophie, who is a professional baker. She has her own baking company, but I am going to make the sugar cookie dough right now because it needs to be in the fridge for like several hours before you roll it out, but I'm not really sure I have all the ingredients I need, so I need to look, and then whatever I need I gotta run to the store really fast. This is sadly the very small cabinet that I have to put baking stuff in. Yeah, this is what happens when you live in a small apartment. Eggs. Definitely gonna need powdered sugar, probably butter, and I think I'm good on eggs and flour. My handwriting is so bad. Gonna need a bit more butter, but I'll leave these out to hopefully get a little bit more soft.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket.
I am going to quadruple this recipe. 2 people are going to want to benefit from it. Mix powdered sugar, margarine, almond, vanilla extract, and egg. Stir in remaining ingredients except granulated sugar. Cover and refrigerate at least 3 hours. Pretty straightforward. Now, oh my god, I have literally never made this much cookie dough in my mixer before. Oh my god. Come on, girl. Any more and this thing would be freaking overflowing. This is an obscene amount of sugar cookie dough. Oh my god. Alright, now it's gotta go in the fridge for at least 3 hours so that it can be rolled out later. Fancy marble rolling. Isn't that beautiful? Situation. I knew you'd like that. I was like, I just got that. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm at my friend Sophie's house. Say hi, Sophie. Hi. She has a sweets company called Cookie Bottoms. And her house is just like
insanely like full of just everything sweet. All the things you can eat to bake anything.
Definitely come to my house.
If I lived here, I would not stop eating all this chocolate and everything that you have lying around. This would be a very, very dangerous situation for me. God. Look, like this huge bag of chocolate, I'd be like eating pieces of that all the time.
Girl Scout Thin Mints.
Oh my god. Wait, what the hell are those?
Those are Girl Scout Thin Mint almonds. I was thinking of doing a little cookie variation on that.
I didn't even know that that was a thing in existence. Mm-hmm. Wow. She's a baker. Oh, that's so cute. Little pumpkin cheesecakes. Somebody's coming to pick up their delivery.
Yeah.
Wow, a true businesswoman here. Covered in flour. Making some progress. Definitely have to keep the dough in the fridge when you're not rolling it because especially it's really warm in Sophie's apartment right now because we've got the oven on and it gets so soft so fast. So it's a little bit of a struggle, but we're making it work. We're gonna make it work. Jesse, do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Oh, you're so cute. I don't have any treats for you right now.
She can't have a cookie.
These look so good. We're cranking it out. There's flour all over my camera. That's okay.
It's just, it's baking deliciousness.
Sophie is making her famous Heath Bar
Dark chocolate, sea salt, molasses cookies.
Woo! Like one of your little tips, right? Sifting your flour.
Mm-hmm. Every time.
It's like snowy afterwards.
It does. Salt. So then the sea salt I just have to kind of throw over and then whisk a little before.
Oh my god, it's happening. How much chocolate you put in these?
A lot. Maybe about between the Heath Bar and the milk chocolate and dark chocolate, there's 6 cups total.
Oh my god. That's why they're so good. Good morning. I was at my friend Sophie's pretty late. We watched Love Actually and made our cookies. There's so many cookies. It was just ridiculous. Now I'm just sipping on some coffee. I just got the script today for the scene that we're shooting this afternoon. We're doing some more filming today for the Christmas romantic comedy that I'm doing. If you didn't catch my last vlog, I shared a little bit about that. So definitely go check that vlog out before this one if you want to see some more behind the scenes of filming a movie in LA. It's a low budget movie, but still, it's fun. To learn my lines for this little scene. And I also have to pick out a couple different outfits because we're going to be shooting some like B-roll around town, like going and looking at Christmas lights and stuff. If you don't know what B-roll is, film technical term, it's sort of like when you watch a movie or if you watch like vlogs also have B-roll in them, when they put like shots that are like no one's talking or anything, but it's like shots that show like the background or like the atmosphere or the setting or the place where the people are in. So good movies need a lot of that type of thing. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I'm going to try to start editing a vlog. I'm trying to upload as many vlogs as I can this week. I just feel like the people who do Vlogmas for real, that upload one video a day for like the whole month of December, I honestly don't know how people do that. Maybe it's because I just get so crazy with like my editing. Like I want to do like cool things and make it look nice and not just slap something together. I'm not saying that everyone that does Vlogmas slaps things together quickly, but I just feel like editing takes me a long time. So I just don't know how people just shoot and edit and upload every freaking day and still have their sanity. A post that I need to post on my Instagram for like a sponsored thing. And that's on the agenda today. Gotta get all hydrated and ready for my close-up. Okay, go. Oh my god, it's so cold. Alright, 10 to 15 minutes.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
I've been using that little line learner thing that Mackenzie suggested to me in the last vlog. Yes, run lines. It's really helpful. It actually really helped me. So I'm gonna have to put my nails on now. I love this set from Kiss. These are the Salon Acrylic French Nude. And I just feel like these, they last so well. They're nice and short, so they're not like annoying for like everyday life. And they're just very like natural. They go with like everything, obviously. And I like that they're kind of a subtle French tip. They're not like that really bright, stark white tip. So yeah, these are like kind of like my go-to. So I feel like this will be good to put on to film today.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
We headed to Toluca Lake, which is a really cute little neighborhood close to where I live in the valley, that everyone that lives there, well, I shouldn't say everyone, but a lot of the people that live here really go all out with their Christmas decor. So we wanted to come and film some B-roll in this area of just like looking at Christmas lights and cool shots like that. So enjoy all the really fun and some very over-the-top Christmas decor like this house. I don't know how I've never seen this house before. It's not that far from where I live. I'm sure they probably decorate this every year, but holy crap. I don't even know. I think Clark Griswald would be put to shame by this house. It just was on another level.
Right, well, tonight was a little bit different than what I thought it would be. I'm just gonna crack open some wine because why not? So we were not able to film the scene with dialogue tonight just because we couldn't get into the location that we're gonna use for that because it is T-minus 4 days till Christmas and they're very busy, understandably, so we're gonna have to wait till after Christmas to film that. So basically we just kind of walked around different little areas here in nearby that are decorated very festive for Christmas. Derek and I, who is the male lead, like, you know, B-roll of us walking around being cute, flirting. First of all, I left a whole freaking hair out of my ponytail. Oh my god, we had a couple different outfit changes because we were trying to make it look like different dates. And I decided to throw my hair up in a ponytail really fast to like really make it look a little bit different. And I totally left a whole strand of hair out of the ponytail. I hope that did not show up on film because that's awkward. Ooh, that is delish. 7 Moons Red Blend? Yes, please. Very glamorously making myself a can of soup for dinner because it is 9 o'clock, 9:15. And I don't really feel like making myself anything beyond that.
So yeah, I'm just gonna have my soup, drink my vino, maybe watch some Christmas movies, and finish editing my Clean With Me vlog, which you guys have probably already seen if you're watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Vlogmas edition. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I'd love to have you join the YouTube fam here. And yeah, until next time, see you later. Bye.